We're back, baby. I'm so happy to see her back in the garage. If you've been following along, I have had my father's Porsche 944 in my garage for far too long. Honestly, it's only been about a month, but this thing does not like sit out in the rain all too much. So it's definitely good to have it back in here. There have been several projects I've been putting off for this car so far, including, well, I got a new steering wheel I'm going to put on, as well as, well, I'm over the taxi cab theme. It was fun. I just want something quick and fun to do for a couple shows. I don't want to go around as a taxi cab no more. Just want a nice, clean yellow car. Yeah, so all that. I will have the Porsche back in here shortly, as there are several things I want to do left on it, such as, the thermostat and the cam seal is leaking, unfortunately, directly onto the header. In order to change that, I have to do a whole timing belt job. And, well, as far as some fun bits go, I actually ordered a nice short shift kit from only944.com. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to go over some loose ends I've been putting off for this car. I still have one big one that I've been putting off, is the power steering rack from a 2017 that I've been meaning to put in here. Has a tighter steering ratio. Would love to have it in the car if I would just do it already. Yeah, but other than that, I am planning on taking off the livery in this video, as well as installing my new Momo wheel. Just so happens it looks exactly the same, except it is a nice fresh leather wrapped rather than the Alcantara that is all worn out at this point, unfortunately. Maybe I should have just wrapped it, had it redone. I don't know. But yeah, other than that, as you can see, I am wearing my EJ20 Bug-Eye shirt. If you are interested in a shirt like this, I do offer them on my website. A little shameless plug there, and I will put a link for that in the comments below as well. But yeah, as per usual, if there's any videos you want to see involving this car or my 944, definitely pop it in the comments below. And well, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Yeah.
Was making canned foods. That meant Chef Boyardee was going to war. Almost overnight, production shifted to...
Hey Meta, record a video.
...became one of the top suppliers of...
All right, so let's start with removing the graphics. I make all these different videos, installing graphics. I figured I'd do a different one and remove these stripes to start. Honestly, it's all pretty easy, so long as your paint isn't absolute trash, which in that case, who really cares, I guess? But I mean, he might be pulling up some. I'm waiting for it to pull up some freaking clear coat when I do this, but no, this is pretty decent paint job on here at some point, and yeah. Honestly, just as easy as that. It doesn't look like it kept anything in the corner there, so yeah, I think we're good to go on that. Just continue on for the next stripes, and I'll probably do a little bit of paint restore. I like to do that after taking off graphics, because after seeing elements and whatnot, sometimes basically the paint underneath is in perfect shape, whereas on the outside it's, you know, deteriorated a little bit. So I'll definitely have to do some solid cleaning and whatnot after that. So as you can see, testing out these Meta Ray-Bans a little more, recording some different videos, and yeah, you'll probably see me throughout some of my videos wearing these and recording a separate video at the same time. Kind of just trying some things out to see if I can do like different angles and whatnot. I think it should be pretty cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and take off the rest. It sucks to take off this Fueled by the Offspring. Literally going to an Offspring show here July 12th. is currently 2025, and yeah, I never got any word back. They didn't want to feature anything with the car, but whatever, it's cool. Still gonna enjoy the show. Come on over. All right, so continuing down a bit more, I'll probably just go ahead and take off the stripe, and it'll just go right through the little meatball here. I have a couple accents that I do plan on leaving on the car, like I've got one little bit in the hood scoop as well as the grill, and the windshield banner. Totally gnarly. Love the look of it. I really do, and so I don't think I'm going to be taking that off just yet. I have been playing with an idea of a different color on the car completely. So, no longer yellow. Still keeping that under wraps. Got him. But yeah, deciding what shade of the color I'm thinking, and if I even feel like material cost for a car this size is $600-$800. See if I really feel like dropping that. Just to change the color, whereas my paint's in good shape, and I don't know, we'll see. Also been playing with the idea of selling the car, perhaps. I don't know. That took off a little pinch of paint there. Damn, that sucks. Yeah. Might do this a little bigger. I don't know, we'll see. I miss already the brown graphics I had on the side, the brown vinyl I had. Very cool with that, but yeah. Oh, I don't want to take this off. It's pretty cool. Like, something about driving this car in general and just blasting the Offspring. It gets me, man. It gets me. One little accent I never really gave a care about was definitely these stupid checkers on the mirrors. I just had some extra scrap vinyl that I decided to throw on. It's not bad looking. Kind of looks cool, but yeah, I'm good. I'm good without that. And I might just keep the 95s too. I don't know. As you can see, I have plenty of other 95s I could probably throw on this car as well, so that's not that big a deal. The Gran Turismos would look pretty cool on here. I don't know. Next car show, Gran Turismo? Yeah, why not? Oh, and then the crazy taxi side graphics. Also a shame. Hey, Matt, I record a video? All right, continuing on to the back of the car here. There we got the rest of the side graphics off. It's a shame to take off this sweet, crazy taxi Japanese style logo I designed for it, but it is what it is. I still have this here in, that matte metallic brown I did. Yeah, also very cool. All right, well, that was it. I mean, that's really all there is for these graphics. Comes off pretty easy. Still got my Offspring. I might just untake that. Ah, you're so naked. So very, very naked. All right, continue on to the other side and get this thing done. And then we'll put on a wheel. Yeah. Hey, Matt, stop recording. So as I was saying, couple little bits still on here. I think I'm gonna keep this here on the hood scoop as well as on the little grill shroud. Just a couple little touches, you know. I like little touches, the details, and I'll leave them up for a little while, just for the hell of it. What do you think? Yeah, pop something in the comments below. Am I stupid? Does it look like shit? Let me know. All right, gonna continue on to the other side and take that off, and I'll get back to you. Can you see me? Probably not. Okay. Yeah. All right, so gonna go ahead and take over the other side, get the rest of that off, and continue on to the steering wheel. Yeah. Okay. All right, so I've got this new wheel going in. I got the old one coming out. As you can see, it's quite worn, unfortunately. I will say right now, big shout out to Sergio with Track Prep Performance for getting me this in. And I've also gotten this here Momo hub. So the reason for this is I currently have an NRG hub, and I swear, every hub I've had from NRG, it just sits like a click to the left or right, or like it's just off. And I mean, yes, I can absolutely go and get an alignment done and have that fixed. Like, no, it's just a one tooth off, and it bugs the absolute heck out of me. So I'm gonna see what I can do about putting that on. And yeah, as you see, my horn hasn't been working lately. I might try and get my horn working. We'll see how that goes. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and get, I believe, a 17 and take that off. Yeah. All right, let's get the sucker. I feel like that came off a little too easily. That is concerning. But once that is off, I do like to put in a couple bolts back in and wiggle it back and forth until it comes off. We'll see if that's even going to be necessary with this, but I have a feeling it will be. Alright, so getting a couple of these screws back in here. I just asked my glasses to record a horizontal video now, so I'm gonna see if because I feel like the previous ones that I'm putting in this are going to be vertical. As I said, still testing out these glasses to see just what I gotta do to make it work. So this guy, and that's it. A little violent, but always worked for me. Yeah. Alright, the new wheel is in. Had to keep the NRG hub. This did not fit, and I will post a picture why right here. Don't know what's up with that. It's supposed to be for this car, but I'll check in and see what the heck, what's up with this thing. SuperRX, maybe it's the wrong year. I don't know. Yeah, didn't clear the airbag wires, and I wasn't about to chop it off, honestly. I don't know if I'm going to be the final owner of this car, and I don't want to go that permanent, honestly. So, have to figure that out, return this, but new wheel looks absolutely phenomenal. Pop them cages on just to see it all together, baby. Oh, so nice. You know what really bugs me? These two, how they turn on, like one will light up and then the other one just not. Yeah, that's what that was too. But yeah, pretty ridiculous. Loved the new wheel. Oh man, something about a fresh wheel. Oh, it feels so good. Yeah, definitely nice to have not this. But that will conclude tonight's video. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Let me know if there's something else you want to see. If you want to check out something else on the car here. Definitely enjoying the new glasses here. And yeah, that'll do it for this. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I have more content to come, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.